Spain's final minutes victory in the World Cup Championship marked the conclusion of a spectacular 5 weeks of athleticism played throughout North America, from Vancouver to Atlanta, Guadalajara to San Francisco, Toronto to Dallas. Teams from 48 countries convened to compete for the coveted award bestowed every 4 years. As a longtime New Yorker, I never grow tired of the excitement of living in the city that's home to the crossroads of the world, and yet, as exhilarating as it is to navigate my home city's streets with visitors from around the globe, this year's World Cup Games, which brought an estimated 1 million visitors to the Big Apple and the surrounding area, added a whole new dimension to the city's international vibe. On the streets, the subways, and bars and restaurants throughout the region, Brazilians mingled with Moroccans, Norwegians sidled up to Senegalese, and Ecuadorians met up with Germans. And though there were, of course, bad calls on the field and bad behavior, with yellow cards and red cards given to players for poor behavior, by and large, the behavior of visiting spectators was not simply respectful, but in some cases, downright exemplary. My hat goes off first to the Tartan Army. It was a playful love fest between visiting Scots in the city of Boston, which they quite literally drank dry, while filling the city with chants, the sounds of bagpipes, and the sight of traffic cones playfully placed on the heads of Beantown's unsuspecting statues. Next up, Norwegian fans heralded their ancient seafaring roots with the Viking Row, an oar-pulling maneuver performed in unison by several hundred supporters at a time, an exhilarating scene of togetherness and cooperation. But the World Etiquette Cup clearly goes to Japan, a cadre of fans for whom cleaning up after oneself is not just a nice thing to do, but an ingrained part of their culture. Supporters of the so-called Samurai Blue are known for bringing large blue plastic bags to collect trash in the stands after matches. Even the Japanese players embraced this concept, leaving their locker rooms cleaner than they were before their arrival, including making origami cranes and leaving them behind, along with notes of gratitude. This venerable tradition stems from the belief of Tori Atu wo Nigazu, roughly translated, a bird leaves no trace. Wouldn't it be terrific if American fans would follow suit at baseball games? I'm genuinely sorry to see this quadrennial event come to a close, but I can say without hesitation that far from leaving no trace, fans from each and every one of the 48 countries who came to support the best in sport most definitely left more than a trace. They were ambassadors who made an impression with humanity, fun, and sportsmanship, enhancing international understanding and creating a lifetime of memories with their North American hosts. The earliest the World Cup will be back this way again is 2038, a long time to wait, but in the meantime, let's savor and nourish what we've just experienced. Surely there are additional ways, besides soccer, to bring our world together.